Big day today. What are we doing, Jack?
I'm quaking in my boots. Is that a term? Shaking in my boots?
I don't know. Quaking? Is it quaking?
I don't know. It doesn't sound right.
Doesn't sound right.
But we're buying a motorcycle. Woo.
You heard that right, folks. Motorcycle day. Jack got his big man money up.
Yep.
Took a look at it last night. Didn't bring the camera. But going to pick it up. Big man's getting a bike. Big man's getting a hog.
We are gonna be buying a motorcycle and I haven't even drove it. Gosh.
Yeah, I test rode it last night. Jack didn't ride it yet. But bike's basically brand new. It's solid. I'm excited. Jack's excited.
Oh, am I ever? We'll see if I can even drive it home.
On the day I was born, the nurses all gathered round. They gazed in wide wonder at the joy they had found.
So this is your seat right here.
That's my
This
seat.
is your seat. Whole lot of room right there. I'm nervous. We got any questions? Any last words?
You asking me that, or you asking yourself that?
I'm asking myself. I'm not really sure. We're talking about this one. This is how we ride today with just this on. Get up close. Hell yeah.
You gonna buckle that chin strap?
Oh yeah. You gotta do that, these things. Got hair coming down here, look like a chump. Oh, there we go. Get out of here. This guy's a professional. Oh. All right. How do I start it? How do I start it? Let me think. Do I turn? No, I don't know. That can't be it. I'm in neutral. I don't need you.
He looks good. Good purchase. Proud of him. I just hope he stays safe. Jack's upgraded. I've upgraded too. We're gonna race home.